In our last video, we touched on the importance of having an emergency fund. Today, let's make sense of what it actually is, how much you need, where to keep it, and how to build one. You don't need to have a fancy portfolio to have financial peace. You just need stability. Let's make it make sense. An emergency fund is money set aside for life's unexpected and unplanned moments. Stuff like your car breaking down, an unplanned medical bill, or even losing your job. Think of it like a financial safety net. Without one, you may be forced to rely on credit cards, loans, or friends, and those options are stressful and expensive. With one, you can have peace of mind. You can handle surprises without throwing your entire budget or your life off course. So, how much money do you need? A good rule of thumb here is 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. If you spend $3,000 a month on rent, food, insurance, and transportation, you're going to need somewhere between $9,000 and $18,000. Now, don't let those numbers scare you. You don't need it fully funded all at once. Start small, aim for $500, then build it to $1,000. That first $1,000 will cover most small emergencies and will keep you from reaching for your credit card. So, where should you actually keep your emergency fund? Well, it needs to be somewhere safe, liquid, and easy to access. We don't want to risk this money. So, not in the stock market where you could lose it, not in your checking account where you could spend it, and not under your mattress. A high yield savings account or money market are both good options here. These accounts give you a little bit of growth while keeping your money where you can easily reach it. No risk and no drama. So, how do we build it? Well, here's a simple 3-step plan. Step one, set a goal. Pick your number. Base it on your expenses. Let's say your number is $9,000. Step two, automate your savings. Set an automatic transfer every time you get paid. Try to stash away at least 5 to 10% of your paycheck each time. Treat this like a bill, a non negotiable expense. You're actually paying your future self. Use any extra money wisely. Your tax refund, a work bonus, some birthday money, make sure to put part of it here. And step three, don't touch it. You'll actually be surprised how quickly it grows once you make it a habit. So that's it. What an emergency fund is, how much to save, and how to build it without stress. If this helped you make sense of your financial foundation, please like, subscribe, and let me know how close you are to reaching your emergency fund goal. Remember, stay safe, stay focused, and keep making sense with your money.